Now, your first warned weather forecast from meteorologist Jordan Wolfe.
Well, the same high pressure that brought us the beautiful weather over the weekend is now also bringing us this incredible warmth here the next couple of days. That high pressure moved off to our east. That's causing the south wind to work into our area, and that's causing those temperatures to rise well into the 90s across the area. But we still look at some temperatures across the plains pushing close to triple digits. So it's what we could get close to during the day tomorrow. But we still have that high pressure over the area, bringing us plenty of sunshine here today. Satellite and radar are very clear. We do have some thunderstorms going up over that ridge in the upper plains right now, but across our area locally, we are still seeing those clear skies here this afternoon. Here's a live look outside our SkyTrack camera overlooking Freeport Golf Course. Notice the flag is actually whipping out of the southwest. We have a pretty strong to moderate wind that's also aiding in to bring those temperatures up, but is also importantly keeping our heat index values down. Notice the heat index is actually a degree cooler than what our temperature is, at least here in Rockford. That's because dew points were a little bit lower than what they were, especially last week. Dew points currently sitting into the 50s and 60s, officially 58 for the dew point in Rockford. Compare that to the 70s, even mid-70s that we had last week. That was causing our heat index values to be well into the triple digits. Overnight tonight, though, those dew points actually keep our temperatures a little bit more moderated overnight tonight because that humidity value keeps our temperatures a little bit closer to that 70-degree mark compared to the 60s, even 50s and 40s that we had the last couple of nights, despite the clear skies that we are dealing with. Tomorrow, that south wind really gets ramping and our temperatures go all the way up close to triple digits, officially 98 degrees for our afternoon high. With that, though, and all this heat and humidity we are talking about, the National Weather Service has issued a heat advisory for many of us across the area, with the exception of McHenry and DeKalb counties. Everywhere is under that heat advisory from 12 tomorrow until 7 p.m. tomorrow. That's when we could see those heat advisory and those heat values well into the triple digits, including heat index values well over 100 to 105, even close to 110. This ridge eventually begins to break down. As it breaks down, we do see that cold front come through, and that brings some storm chances as we get later on into the next couple of days. Importantly, we are watching those chances for storms because that line fires up as temperatures are also well into the 90s. So we have plenty of heat and humidity to work their way in, and as long as we have that lift and some other ingredients for the severe weather, we could see that materialize as we get over into the evening tomorrow. That's tomorrow evening after about 6, 7 o'clock through till about 10 o'clock. After that, we do get some more clearing that works back in, but we do still have that moderate or marginal risk for severe weather, a level 1 out of 5 in place for the day tomorrow, so something we'll have to keep an eye on as we get later on into tomorrow evening. Now after this, we actually do get a little bit of a break from the heat. Importantly, early next week, we do have a slight possibility we could see back to at least close to normal or just below normal temperatures, but that doesn't last very long because our longer term outlook that goes 8 to 14 days out does bring us back above average as we get later on into the end of the month and the beginning of July. Temperatures this week are into the 90s, officially close to 100 with that cold front that comes through. It brings our temperatures into the 80s. A couple more chances for rain later on into the week, but we are into the low 80s, even closer to average as we get later on into next weekend.
We have a sticky several days coming. Jordan, thanks.